What's going on, guys? Junior with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube, and today we got another spotlight for you guys. This is a 2018 Ford F250 reverse shackle drop, 24 12s and 35s. Let's go check it out.
We got them mean trucks decked out, rolled through the wood and it flexed out. Rims so big in the windows crack, got the light bulb lit up, double chromed out stacks. Yeah, we love to get them dirty, but still they so clean. Custom Offsets team stances, the team, we on top of it now. We ain't never gonna fade, so you better get ready. We're taking over the game.
All right, guys. So starting off with the wheel and tire setup, we got 24x12 Hardrock Slammer Xposed in a chrome finish. He's got chrome spec luggings here as well. He's got that wrapped in a 35, 12.5, R24, obviously, Landspider WildTraxx MT. So this setup is pretty beefy with this reverse level truck. You can see that the trimming on here, if we kind of move in here, he has just a little bit, like a 1/4 inch on the front here, and it goes straight down into the valence as well. So that's a pretty clean cut, actually. Don't mind the yellow, it's a little bit Wisconsin lived. And then in the back here, he's got it all chopped up and folded to basically give him as much room as possible. It does still rub. When I asked him, he said, "Oh, fuck yeah, bud." So it still rubs a little bit, but hey, that's what you get when you're running 12 wides on a reverse level truck. So in addition to that, obviously you can see it's the... All right, so if we get in here to do a build test on these, you can see there's a little bit of concavity here to the spokes. But if we go right to the edge, a bill is 6 inches. You're at about 5 inches or so on this lip, which is pretty average, I would say, for a 12 wide, especially because it's got a little bit of concavity there. It's going to eat up at the total lip of the wheel, because obviously if the spokes went straight back, it would land back here, giving you more lip. So a little bit smaller than normal. Typically we like to see a 6-inch lip on our 12 wides, but we'll take it. Still a super clean, sexy wheel. All right, so looking on the side of this thing, you can see it's got a pearl tri-coat white, obviously, paint to it. Super sexy for the limiteds. Pretty much nothing else here. You can see that he's got these chrome window visors as well. His tint is like blacker than my soul. He's got 5% all around. He's got 5% in the windshield as well. And if we take a look inside, he's also got 5% on his sunroof. So in addition to that, just checking out this interior, it's super sexy. It's got like a two-toned light tan and then a dark brown for the seats. Goes into the dash and everything. This interior is probably one of my favorites, honestly. Ford does an extremely good job with their interiors, and this thing looks sick. Fancy double stitching on the door panels. Lawson, come back, come back. Lawson, come back, we're not done. Lawson's back. So in addition to that, you have your door stepper card thing here that like lights up, which I don't know why a pickup truck needs that when you're using it for farm work, but pretty cool. It has ambient lighting in the entire truck. And it's got ambient lighting in the entire truck. Oh yeah, look right here. So in addition to that, he's also got ambient lighting, as you can see in here. I don't know if the crinkling's annoying or not. You got lights in here. You got lights pretty much everywhere. This thing just glows. So there's the rear bench too. The interior on this thing is immaculate. I absolutely love what Ford did to these lariats. Oh no, try it again. So yeah, this interior is absolutely immaculate. Absolutely love what Ford did to these limiteds. You can see the brushed silver door handles as well on this thing. So if we keep going towards the back, you can see he's got some mud flaps on here. Glenn does tow with this thing. He's a big tow guy, so that's why he's got those. He's also got a tri-fold tonneau cover up top here that he's got wrapped white to match the truck. He actually stole this from Sean Chartier from back in the day, so that's actually pretty sick. Some stickers on the back glass as well with the 5% tint. He's got a bunch of stories behind those. If you want to know more, you can ask him. His Instagram is nextlevelglenn. In addition to that, he's got Recon taillights and a Recon third brake light. Now, I guess these limiteds, because they're like $90,000 trucks basically, have like 19,000 sensors. So when you got the replacements, you can take the sensor that's basically right behind here from your OEM tails, throw them into these, and he only had one working taillight. He sold that for more money than these cost. So kind of neat. You can get aftermarket, that look and flow with the style of the truck for less than he sold his OEM ones for. Moving back, he's got the limited, which kind of looks like the platinum tailgates here. Got a Gen Y drop hitch here, which I don't know, he's got a drop hitch when he's already lowered, but whatever. So he's also got a 4-inch exhaust with a 5-inch tip on it as well. This thing is tuned and deleted, which basically you kind of just want to do with all of these trucks when you can, type of thing. So the cool thing about all of this is this truck looks and sits great. This truck, brand new in 2018, was probably between $85,000 and $90,000. Him all in with purchasing this truck, 2 years old, putting everything on it, he's in for less than this truck would have cost brand new, which he snuck in right before the truck market kind of blew up to where it is now. So he got in before it got hot, and this thing looks sick, low and wide, absolutely love it. So shout out to Glenn, appreciate you bringing your truck by so we could check it out. Fitment on this is awesome. He uses this thing on the daily. He actually blew out a power steering pump. You can ask him about that sometime too. All right, guys, so that is another spotlight walk around for you guys. If you want to see more of this truck, you can check it out with its gallery ad listed below. And as always, you can get your build started at CustomOffsets.com. Peace.